I work for Apexa iQ. So essentially we put a simple machine program in your environment, and it will reach into all of your other repos and collect information about your devices, and then bring it into our cloud system, where we'll present the data in different ways for you to do, whether it's security based or it's currency, making sure things are up to date, vulnerabilities, configuration, things like that. We started to pick up horsepower. And so I became the director of customer support and customer architecture. So as a result, this is what led us down the road of trying to identify a customer support system. In general, it needed to be a relatively inexpensive solution. So we found a different product that we started to go down the road with, except that it was unstable. But we found BoldDesk, and we essentially implemented it, and we spun up a test environment, and within 3 or 4 days I was ready to abandon the other product and move forward with BoldDesk. So it was very clear that from a stability perspective and configuration, if I configure it to do what I want it to do, it will do that. It will continue to do that. I don't have to worry about it changing on me at some point in time that I didn't expect it to do. And probably the first thing that I found that was very encouraging is that it was very easy to present the portal to our customers and get seamless login with our own application. So almost overnight, a problem that I'd been fighting with every other day went away. The other really nice thing that I liked about BoldDesk almost from the beginning is the ability to customize the ticket forms and be able to set up forms and set up rules and processing to do simple things. If it didn't do what I wanted it to do, they were very clear to say, no, it doesn't do that. They gave me alternatives, but they also were very willing to accept feedback for enhancements. Probably the single most important thing about BoldDesk was that it wasn't complicated to use. It was fairly straightforward to set up, and it's been reliable. BoldDesk has been that rock as far as software utilities that we use that are critical to the company. I mean, I have roughly around 1,000 potential people that could submit a ticket. These are people that are scattered around the world that could enter a ticket in our system, and we need to be able to deal with it. So ultimately, very critical to the company. Again, kudos there for the reliability and sustainability. Our plans are to continue forward with BoldDesk. We are not interested in researching other help desk systems. There's no need for it. It's been a joy to use. It's been one of the more successful products at the company, and we have no plans of changing it.